So we've got a data set here. This is about hours spent on exercise per week. I'm going to go straight to the graph, switch the graph tab. I'm going to put both variables down here. I'm going to select the grade level for the x-axis, and on the y-axis, that doesn't seem to have a title there, we're going to go and change that. This is hours on exercise per week. Okay, there we go. And it doesn't let me draw a picture because you need to select the right chart. Great, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 grade levels, but I only want to compare 2 grade levels because I want to do a 2-sample t-test. So I'm going to go back to the grade level, click on values, and look, you've got all your different categories, 9, 10, 11 and 12, and I'm going to exclude 9 and 10, and I'm only just going to compare 11 and 12. Is there any difference in hours spent on exercise between the two different IBDP years? What might we expect? Okay, so we've got this. That's a nice little start, isn't it? Let's go ahead and do some descriptive stats there. And I'm going to include a mean and median based comparison. So the mean is here, and the median is here. And that's pretty much it. That's your 2-sample t-test coming up. You've got the right graph. You can look at the values, right, for the means. The means don't seem that much different, 5.63 hours, actually more hours in grade 12 than grade 11, which might be interesting. Standard deviations, a little bit different here, okay. And I decided to put for the the standard deviation as the kind of error bars on the data. And I've got the box and whiskers plot, yep. So that looks good. We can go and test for outliers if we like. Show dots, show outliers, and we're going to do the 1.5 times IQR added to the upper quartile and subtracted from lower quartile. That's given in the IBDP guide. Okay, that's the one we do. And yep, I mean, if there were outliers, these bars would be a little bit shorter and the individual dots would indicate which particular data points are outliers. So there are no outliers, so that's great. Let's show the dots again. And let's go ahead and perform the test. Automatically selects the t-test, right? 2 categorical on the x-axis and numerical on the y-axis. And off we go. We're looking for the p-value. And if the p is low, the null must go. So the null hypothesis is that grade level and hours spent on exercise are equal, right? And the p-value is only 0.77. Therefore, there's no evidence that groups are different. Insufficient evidence to reject the null. Therefore, we hold on to the null, and that is that there is no difference in hours spent on exercise between grade 11 and 12, even though in the sample, grade 12 have got a slightly higher mean than grade 11.